Good evening, students. How are you today all? I hope you all are safe and healthy by our God's grace. Dear students, today we are going to see a new chapter, Geometry. Okay, so it's your fourth unit, okay, from your term 1. Okay, let's start our class now. Geometry is nothing but it means the measurement of the earth. It includes the study of the properties of shapes and its measures. Okay, so now let's see about lines, line segment, and then parallel line, intersecting lines, rays. Okay, and also you will see the line segment, how to draw the line segment by using the ruler and the compass. Okay, let's see this. Okay, see the first one, lines. Okay, see the line, the both sides not have a end. Okay, you can extend on both sides in any directions. This is called the line. Okay, so AB, so see the line symbol, both sides have the arrow mark. Okay, so this is called line. Okay, go to the next one, line segment. Line segment means the both sides have an end. A line that is short and ends on both sides is called a line segment. Okay, go to the next one, parallel line. Parallel line means the lines are move in the equal distance. Okay, see here L1, L2. These are lines. Okay, move on the equal distance. Okay, for example, you take a railway track. Okay, so your railway track move on the equal distance, they not have a end. Okay, go to the next one, intersecting lines. Okay, see, you can see that very easy, the two lines are intersect each other at the point of O. Okay, so where L1 and L2 are intersect lines and O in the intersecting point. Okay, go to the next one, rays. Rays means the one end. Okay, so in line one end have the arrow mark. Okay, so for example, arrow. Okay, that is called the ray. Okay, a line that ends on one side but proceed indefinitely other side is called a ray. The fixed end point of the ray is called the starting point. Okay, so the fixed end, this one is the starting point, this one it will go any direction. Okay, so let's see the next one. Okay, let's see exercise 4.1, fill in the blanks. A line through two endpoints A and B is denoted by, so see here AB, so line means you need to put the two arrow. Okay, so both ends have the arrow line. Okay, go to the next one. A line segment from the point B to point A is denoted by line segment. Line segment means the both ends have the, see here BA. Okay, the line segment will be draw like that. Okay, go to the next one. A ray has one end point. A ray has one end point. Okay, see the second question. How many line segments are there in the given line? Name them. Okay, how many line segments are there in the given line? Name them. Okay, see P, A, B, C, Q. Okay, so the given, we are going to be find out the line segment. Okay, let's see this. Okay, I am draw like that. Here P, B. Okay, so that have the one line segment. PA have one line segment, and AB one line segment, and BC have one line segment, and CQ here there are 10 line segments are having. Okay, like that 10 line segments are having. They are PA, AB, BC, CQ. After that PB. Okay, so next one AC, and then BQ, and then PC, and then PQ. Okay, so like that totally having 10 line segments in this diagram. Okay, see this. Okay, go to the next one. Second question after the third one. How many, okay, so go to the next one. Measure the following line segment. Okay, measure the following line segment. If you have a textbook, okay, you can measure the line by using the scale. Okay, for example, you see this. Okay, take the scale like that and keep the scale at the point. Okay, so the first one have 2 after having 3 lines. Okay, so the measurement is 2.3. okay, so 2.3 centimeter. Okay, so like that you need to find the measure of these lines. Okay, so go to the next question. Fourth one, construct a line segment using ruler and compass. Okay, before we see this sum, let's see one example sum from your book. See here, example 4.1. With the help of the ruler and compass, draw a line segment PQ equal to 5.5 centimeter. PQ equal to 5.5 centimeter. Okay, here we are going to be use the compass, okay, and then scale. See the solution. Draw a line L and mark the point P on it as shown. Okay, so L is a line. Okay, so mark the point P on it. Okay, so go to the next one. Measure 5.5 centimeter by using the compass. Okay, so measure 5.5 from your scale. Okay, take a compass and put the pencil like that. Okay, so the both tip are equal. Okay, so next one we need to keep the compass in the scale. Okay, measure the point from 0 to 5.5. 5.5, how can we measure 5? After we need to count 5 lines. Okay, small lines. Okay, at the middle having one small line, that is the 0.5. okay, therefore 5.5 we take like that. Okay, placing the pointer at 0 and the pencil point at 5.5 centimeter. Okay, after that you take go to the line. Okay, so you go to the line and keep the point of the compass in P. Okay, so and cut the line. Okay, cut the line by the ruler, by the pencil. Okay, see here, place the pointer of the compass at P, then draw a small arc on the line L with the pencil pointer. Okay, it cuts the line L at the point and name that point as Q. Okay, so this point is P, this point is Q. Okay, here they put the name P and Q. So the PQ have 5.5 centimeter. Okay, now PQ is required line segment of the length 5.5 centimeter. Okay, so in like the way you need to, okay, draw the line segment, okay, for the given sums. Okay, in our next class I will draw the fourth question. Okay, construct a line segment using ruler and compass. Okay, in tomorrow class we will see that. Okay, go to the question number 5. Okay, from the given figure name the parallel line, intersecting lines and point of intersection. Okay, so see the diagram. Okay, we are going to be find out the parallel line, intersecting line and point of intersections. Okay, let's see this. Okay, see here, what are the parallel lines? C, D and then A, B. These two lines are parallel, and also see here E, F and then G, H. Okay, these lines are the parallel lines. Okay, go to the next one, intersecting lines. Okay, intersecting lines, what are the intersecting lines? C, D. Okay, in C, D, what the intersecting line? E, F. Okay, so the point of intersection is P. Okay, and also R also the point of intersection. Okay, C, D and then E, F. Okay, so see the next one, E, F also cutting the line A, B. Okay, A, B also the intersecting point, have the intersecting point. Okay, and then C, D, G, H. Okay, this line also the intersecting line. Okay, I am written here CD and EF, CD and GH and AB and EF, AB and GH. Okay, these lines are intersecting lines. And point of intersections, I am already told you, point of intersections are P, Q or S. These points are point of intersections. Okay, so go to the next question. Okay, see here, from the given figure name all pair of parallel lines, all pair of parallel lines, pair of intersecting lines and then pair of line whose point of intersection is V. Okay, point of intersection we are going to be find out, and then point of intersection of the line L1 and L3, L2 and L3. Next, point of intersection of the lines L1 and L5. Okay, see this, see the diagram. Okay, so have three line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, line 5. Okay, two lines are intersecting. L1 and L2 are intersect their lines. Okay, three lines. Here they are asking, the question is all pair of parallel lines. Okay, so what are the parallel lines are here? L3, L4, and then L3, L4, L5, and then L3, L5. Okay, these lines are the parallel lines. Okay, L3 and L4, L4 and L5, L3 and L5. Okay, so go to the intersecting lines. Okay, pair of intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are all, okay, all three lines are intersecting by L1 and L2. Okay, so here L1 and L2 are intersecting line, and L1 and L3, and L1 and L4, L1 and L5. Okay, so here you see this L2 and L3, L2 and L4, L2 and L5. Okay, these lines also intersecting lines. Okay, I am written like that. Go to the next one, pair of lines whose point of intersection is point of intersection. Okay, point of intersection, the middle point is V. So this is the point of intersection. Okay, go to the next one, point of intersection of the line L2 and L3. Okay, where is L2? L2 and L3. Point of intersection is Q. Okay, can you understand this? Okay, next one, point of intersection of the lines L1 and L5. Where is L1? L1 and L5 is here. Okay, so these two lines are cut it in the U. Okay, point of intersection is U. Okay, can you understand these questions? Yes, I hope you all are understand this. Tomorrow we will see how to draw the line segments. Okay, so today class is over. You need to write these questions in your maths classwork note. If you have a geometry note, you can write. Okay, no problem. Thank you children. Have a nice day. Bye bye.